Tevida longer Tevida stamina harder Tevida erections stronger performance get maximum Tevida sexual benefits virility vitality vigor. Better long-lasting erections maximum pleasure ampersand intensified orgasms surge in sex drive ampersand energy ramps up stamina ampersand staying power increased sexual confidence experience vitality ampersand peak performance. The sexual health divide. Are you suffering from the following symptoms? Leading surveys on sexual health and satisfaction levels among American men have revealed the following. Of men suffer from small penis syndrome. Of men over 40 don't have sex. Of women are not having as much sex as they'd like. Introducing Tevida Testosterone Booster made with a blend of natural ingredients. Tevida is a testosterone booster that has been formulated to restore your sexual youth and performance. It will help you experience an intense, blissful, and powerful sex life. Tevida's dual action formula not only gives you an instant surge in sexual power and performance, but also treats the root cause of sexual dysfunctions, ensuring that you are able to consistently satisfy your partner. Made with herbal extracts and active botanicals, Tevida is completely safe to use and free from most harmful side effects. Triple intensity testosterone booster for maximum results. The pro-sexual nutrient matrix in Tevida helps boost the 3 S's of sex size, stamina, ampersand satisfaction, helping you peak perform and pleasure your partner just like you did in your 20s.